to my channel. Today we are gonna learn how to set up a Fivem server. For creating a Fivem server, you need to download and install Visual C++ in your computer and then download the server artifacts and the CFX server data. And then we have to make a specific key for entering our server. So let's jump on the tutorial how to make a server. At first, we are gonna make a folder named FXServer in our computer. After naming it, we enter on the folder and then copy the server.zip in this folder and extract it here. After successfully extraction of the server, delete the zip from here and then go to the other zip file which is server data master and drag and drop the resources folder in here and move it to the server folder. Now inside the server folder we are gonna make a text file and name it server.cfg. After naming it server.cfg, we double click it and open it. Now we go back to the web page and go to this example server.cfg URL and copy the whole codes from here and paste it. Now we have to give a key for our server. So for making a key, we go to the URL here and sign in with your Fivem ID. So before signing you have to create a Fivem ID. So then click on new and name the server for your, and now you are gonna need your IP address for the server to log in. So how do you check your IP address? Go to Google and type check my IP. So this is my public IP. I copy it and then select dedicated server and which server provider are you using. We name it localhost. Then click on generate. So here as you can see I have successfully created my key for the server. Now we copy the key and change it here and save it. So half of our work is done here. So now we have to run our server. For run our server we have to make a command file. We are gonna name it run.cmd and then we edit it. Here you have to paste a certain code. Copy this following code which is given in the description in this run.cmd file and save it. Now we have to start our server. So for starting this server we make another text file and name it start and we change this txt format to bat. So this batch file will start our run the server. So we edit this batch file and put this command on this. So here we take this URL and put it here. So here is the URL for our run.cmd file and we save it. So our server is good to go. Now we can start our server. As you can see, our server has started. So how do we connect on this server? So for connecting this server, you have to open Fivem application. After starting the Fivem, we press F8 and type connect localhost and press enter. As you can see, I am currently starting my new server which I just created right now, and it's loading. So guys, you can see we have successfully entered our newly created server. In the next episode, we will learn how to install the other resources for our server and build a complete roleplay server in Fivem. Thank you for watching guys.